Hi everyone. This is the short tutorial how to edit the Canva video template. You will receive this PDF document with the template link, also with the screenshots how to edit the template as well. First of all, just copy the below template link and paste into the browser address bar. Do not click on the template link, design will not open. Then click on the Use Template button for new design. If you do not have a Canva account, just use your email account for join or login into free Canva account. You can change name, dates, address, any text, change fonts and colors according to your needs. After you have done your changes, click on the file and press download. MP4 video format is already suggested. There are others formats also. Just press download button and you are done. Video will be downloaded into your device, which you can easily share on any device or platform. Thanks for watching.